Let us tackle question number 12 of WASSCE 2024 Core Mathematics Paper 2. Abiola starts a business with $1,250. Francis joins the business later with a capital of $1,875. At the end of the first year, profits are shared equally between Abiola and Francis. When did Francis join the business? Please don't forget to share this video and subscribe. Thank you so much. So we're told that at the end of the first year, so it means that Abiola will be in the business for 12 months. So Abiola will be in the business for 12 months. Then let's say that Francis joins the business in the nth month. So he'll be in the business for 12 minus n months. So that is Francis. So if profits were shared at the end of the first year equally, then their amount contribution times the number of months they stayed in the business will be proportional. So let's multiply $1,250 by the number of months of stay, which is 12, is to, so we are using ratio here, is to 12 minus n times 1,875. Now this, when we simplify it, it's supposed to be equal to 1:1 because we were told that they share the profits equally. So if that is the case, we can simplify this and solve for n. So recall that 1,250 times 12 over 12 minus n times 1,875 will be equal to 1/1. So by the principle of ratio, by the concept of ratio, so we need to simplify that. So when we multiply 12 by 1,250, we will obtain 15,000. So we'll get 15,000 is equal to 1,875 into brackets 12 minus n. So when we expand, this is what we are going to obtain. 1,875 times 12 will give us 22,500 minus 1,875 n. So 15,000 is equal to this. So we need to subtract 15,000 from both sides and add 1,875 n to both sides. So that will give us 1,875 n is equal to 22,500 minus 15,000. So this will simplify to 7,500. So 1,875 n is equal to this. We can divide through by 1,875, 1,875, and this will simplify to 4. So Francis joins the business after the 4th month. Now let's look at the B part of the question. In the diagram, line segment C is parallel to line segment AD, and line segment ED had the modulus equal to line segment EB's modulus, which is equal to line segment AB's modulus. We are to find the value of n and m. So we can begin from here. So we have an angle here, and this angle is alternate to the angle here. So we can calculate this angle to be 40 degrees because alternate angles are equal. So if that is the case, we can find the value of n, because the angle here should also be 40 degrees. Why is it so? Because this side is equal to this side. So n plus 40 plus 40 will be equal to 180. That is the sum of angles in a triangle. So n will be equal to 180 minus 80, which is equal to 100 degrees. So if n is 100 degrees, we know that this line here is equal to this line here. So if that is the case, the angle here should be equal to the angle here. Alright, so the angle here will be 180 minus n. We know n to be 100. So 180 minus 100 will be 80. So this will be 80, and this will also be 80. So we have m plus 80 plus 80 is equal to 180 degrees using the triangle EBD. So m will be equal to 180 minus 80 plus 80, 160, which is equal to 20 degrees. Thank you. Please don't forget to share this video. I appreciate it whenever you do so.